Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you a comparison among Wix, WordPress and Squarespace. Now let's get started. Let's go with Squarespace first. Here we are at Squarespace and from here you can see the designs of their templates. The main good thing about Squarespace is that their templates are very aesthetic, which is super for portfolios. As you can see, you can scroll all the way down and the design for manual. When it comes to authentics, let's choose one template, say this one, and close that. From here you can choose the color palette for your design. Squarespace forces more as authentics compared to the other platform. Next we proceed the site builder. Change the color of the buttons, but there is less control over your website or template compared to other platforms. Squarespace is not great for e-commerce or businesses sites. Also, if you are making a website for e-commerce or businesses, you should consider the other platforms. Now let's go into Wix. There are the templates you can use in Wix. They are decent, but I think the Squarespace templates are better. Wix templates are not highly focused on portfolios. You have e-commerce design, businesses design, and more. You can choose from many templates. For example, if you choose this template, you have a lot of control over the elements in the template. You can fully adjust or change something by clicking on the toolbars. It's more convenient and easier of your use compared to Squarespace. You can change buttons, colors, and text. Wix is easy to use and has many functions and controls, and you don't need special or coding skills to maximize these controls. Lastly, here we are on WordPress. The first thing to know is the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com managing for your hosting, which helps optimize your website for speed, security, and performance, while WordPress.org itself hosting. Here are the themes or templates you can use it. WordPress, let's choose one and open in a few new tab. Then preview and customize. You need to upgrade you to active this template. Click on the upgrade button to start customizing. One good thing about WordPress is that it is the most customizable website builder. The platform allows higher customization compared to Wix and Squarespace because of the plugin you can use. You can see the plugins that make WordPress better and more customizable. Some plugins are paid and some are free, like MailPoet and Jackbot. Jetpack CRM. WordPress is a free platform and you can see free plugins and themes. The cons of WordPress include a slightly learning curve due to the plugins which require patience to learn. That concludes this video. I hope this video helped you choose the right platform for you. Thank you for watching.